At Salisbury, I've been teaching about 8 or 9 years. I started throwing when I was probably a teenager, throwing on the wheel. Throwing on the wheel is where you use a wheel that spins and you throw clay on it, and you have to center the clay so it's evenly distributed around the wheel head. And then you open it up and you can make functional or non-functional pieces, often functional pieces.
I started with pottery in 2006, 2007, so it's about 9-10 years now that I've been doing pottery. I think it's good to work with your hands no matter what you're doing, because you end up learning about how materials work, which help you learn more about how the world works.
Most people, I think, really have a need to express in some way.
Glaze it is going to be sharp. So you need a little bit
It's a way to balance out our tendency to be too intellectual or too removed from full experience. I've only had 1 or 2 students who really just couldn't connect with clay, you know, but most people can. They find a way.